na Pinoy music lover, mai-love ka sa mga boses nila.
Nakabahan ako sa mga kilos mo. Parang unti-unti ako'y iniiwan mo. Nasaan ang pangako mo? Bago na ang pag-ibig ko. Ikaw na ba akong kapalit sa
DJ Gestoni Remix from Barangay Peña, Kawayan, Masbate.
ako? Di-gabi hinahanap sa aking tabi. Hinala ko sa'yo, sana ang di magkatotoo. Lumuluha ako, di-gabi nananalangin magbalik ang dati mong pagmamahal dito sa puso ko.
Pinoy music lover, love song remix.
Tanambing mo sa'kin ay biglang nagtabi. Wala nang init ng yakap mo't mga dito sa puso ko.
You don't stop learning. You never stop learning. And that's the beauty about life, because it's not only, it's like a certificate that you gain and you put it on the shelf. It's more of building your personality.
Hi Abir, can you tell us a little bit about yourself and what do you do?
My name is Abir Al-Mahirbi. I'm founder of a consultancy business called Tali & Co. Tali means, it's in the Arabic translation means the next. And it's my mother's uncle. He was one of the bravest at the time, and he was helping his community. So I got this story to inspire me in my business, my consultancy business, where we try to help corporates to help the communities around them. So that's basically my business. Where I come from, when I graduated college in Abu Dhabi.
Guys, thank you.
Dito sa
Maganon.
puso ko.
Guys, thank you sa pagtambay. Alis na ako. Salamat po, RCR, Kaserte, MMD, Sir Dan, Ma'am Woody. Thank you po, Ma'am Lerm. Salamat po sa pagpunta sa LS ko. Sino pa ba ang hindi ko na pa nakasalamatan? Sir Dan, Pamilya G, thank you, Ma'am Woody. Ma'am Lerms, thank you po. Bye-bye po. Saan nga ulit ko? Ay, shoot.